Look right here, like right into the camera. My name is Bobby. My name is Bobby. And I'm addicted to making Nike ID sneakers.
It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. I have a problem, man. It's turned into a what's it like, my strange addiction, man. This is turning into an issue. Not only because I've made Nike IDs, I got a couple here. It's where it all started. It's already starting to oxidize. You know, you got the Air Force Ones, lows that I did for my son. Got his birth weight on the heels of those, 9 pounds. That's where it started. Then it progressed. This is my most recent ones, as you guys have seen. You got your Bobby Sneaker World OVE on the back of those joints. Remix on a classic colorway, anniversary colorway. Red and whites. Now, those were my most recent, but we got another package in. So let's crack into the box, see what we got. All right, while we cracking into this box, while I'm doing this, it's one thing that y'all can be doing for me. If that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong, man. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel. We're so close to the 3,000 subscriber mark, man. I just posted yesterday or the day before, whenever it was, that we're at 2,800 even. Well, I think we're past that now, but we were at 2,800 obviously when I posted that. And we're growing daily, man, so I'm extremely appreciative of all of the organic growth on my channel, man. All of it comes from just me putting out content, and 2,800 people rock with the content, man. So I'm thankful for those of you that continue to rock with the channel and comment. Y'all already know I respond to every single comment, regardless of what it is, whether it's just a comment, whether it's a statement or a question or anything else. I rock with y'all, so man, y'all rock with me, I rock with y'all. And what I'm gonna start, matter of fact, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna start throwing maybe a couple random comments on the screen, just as a thank you and appreciation, just to let y'all know that I am paying attention, I am listening, I am reading the comments, I'm in the comment section heavy. And those of you that comment know that. So we got the, I'm not going to show you because on the Nike by You boxes, they do show an image of what it is that you got. So I'm just going to show you the Nike by You box. And it does say Nike by Bobby, size 11. And that's all it is. It's just an all white box. It says Nike by You on the top. And I'm trying not to make this video too long because there's no reason to. You got your
So good.
Woo! Already got to look at what the sneaker look like. But you got your Nike by You paper. Hopefully that's not washed out, but you know, it's just sketches of other silhouettes. Set this down here, and I had to pull out both because I have something on the heel of these as well. So I went a little bit different route, man, with these. Bam. Now I don't know if the lighting is good enough. I can't wait to get new lighting. The lighting is good enough to show y'all exactly what is going on here. But this is not white. This is sail. These are, it has a sail upper and a sail midsole. The lighting might make that look white, but it is not. It is sail. And then I went with the, I think they called this Void Blue and red outsole. Crazy. And this, once again, has like this soft felt suede type material on the swoosh and the mud guard. Ooh, don't want to show you the back yet. And then I put the blue swoosh, blue mud guard, and blue here and blue here. Now what I'm gonna show you guys on the back, because both of these sneakers, you know, are the same as far as the lateral and medial side, but just like I did on the heel of those anniversaries that I made, I put something different on the back of these. And there you go. Bam. 330 kid, man. Now 330 is where I grew up, man. That's my area code. A lot of you guys would not know that, and most of you guys would only know that, recognize that from LeBron James, because that's his area code. But I'm older than him, so it's my area code. But I am from the 330. I am from Northeastern Ohio. I reside in Columbus now, though, but that's what that means. That 330 on the yams back there. Crazy. And the university red or varsity red, I don't know. You got kid on the back of that one, because I am a kid from the 330, man. Always gonna be representing Northeastern Ohio. Regardless of where I go, that's always gonna be home. So I had to put it on something, man, that, you know, that makes me feel like home when I put these on. And I might just put these, y'all think I should put these straight to feet? Y'all think y'all want to on foot of these? Y'all can't, y'all not responding. I mean, I'm going to do it one way or the other regardless before I see this comments. Anywho, no, I'm just playing, but I might do it on footage. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do it in this video. If y'all comment down below and y'all want to see these on foot, let me know in the comments, and then I'll make a video just doing on foot of these right here. I might do an on foot of the anniversary joints as well, but these came out crazy, man, with that I want to call it obsidian, but they call it void on the website. So it's void blue, and you can see that red poking through from the outsole onto the side of the midsole right there. Fire. And I just left the air bubble white. I didn't want to make it red. I was going to make it red, but then it was just like it's doing too much. And why I say I'm addicted to these joints, I already have another pair in the works, man. It's becoming a problem, but it's a good problem to have, because all of this stuff that's coming out recently, I'm not too fond of. And if I can spend $130 on something that I created myself, that's going to mean something to me down the road in my collection, then I'm going to be more than excited about that. I'm not going, I tell y'all all the time, I'm not going to just buy every single Jordan and Yeezy release that comes out just to be buying it. It's way too many releases these days. Doesn't even give you an opportunity. I don't care, I'm repeating myself, but it doesn't give you an opportunity to fall in love with the sneakers that you just got. And this is going to be something that I'm going to fall in love with because it's my personal creation. And it means something to me. It already means something to me because got the 330 kid on the back. Nobody else, you know, who's going to wear these but me? You know, so who's going to wear those with BSW on the back but me? You know what I'm saying? So I'm always going to cherish and love, you know what I'm saying, the sneakers that I create. I already got, like I said, another one in the works. But shout out to everybody, you know what I'm saying, that's I hit on the 5s. I've never owned a Jordan 5 in my life. So I hit on the shock drop in the fire red Jordan 5s. And I'm excited to see how I feel about them in person. I don't know how I've never owned a 5, but I haven't. So that was going to be one of the only maybe 1 or 2 things that I even copped next month. And, you know, got it. I don't know when it's going to come. But anyway, I'm rambling. We'll see when that comes. We'll do a video on that and everything. Comment down below if y'all want to see these joints on foot. Let me know if y'all want to see these on foot. I haven't worn these yet either. But these are all fire, man. Let me know how y'all feel like these came out. And until the next time, man, I got another Nike ID that I just put in my cart, so I might pull the trigger today, man. I'm out of here, man. OV!